Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing the exact paragraph and isolating the first character. This is crucial so the drop cap targets only the intended glyph. Once selected, make sure the font supports a large initial serif fonts usually work best. Now open your program's text menu or format pane and find the drop cap or initial letter option. Do this now. Do not skip the check on font size, because the drop cap scales differently across typefaces and can break line spacing unexpectedly. Once done selecting the first letter, choose how many lines the drop cap should span. 1 to 3 lines keeps it subtle, while 4 or more creates a statement. You then tweak font size and letter spacing to fit the column width and line height. Small tracking changes prevent collisions. Also decide position. Inline keeps flow, outside places it in the margin for impact. Make incremental changes and preview. You want harmony between the initial and the surrounding body text, not visual disruption. To finish, inspect text wrap and leading so the drop cap doesn't overlap lines or floats. If the adjacent characters clip or the line spacing breaks, apply manual kerning or slightly reduce the drop cap size. This fixes most layout conflicts. If the software lacks controls, convert the letter to a graphic or separate text frame for precise placement. One tip: when everything looks wrong, toggle between inline and outside positions. That single change often resolves stubborn spacing.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.